Ever wonder how to make your food images move for your digital menu board? I am going to show you some easy steps that anyone can follow absolutely for free. In this video, you will learn how to turn this static menu into this high-impact animated board. Let's dive right into the magic. Here, we are on grok.com to create a video from an image. I chose Grok for animating these images because it offers plenty of free attempts for both images and video. A major advantage is that it generates high-quality motion, and it's free of distracting watermarks. This ensures your digital menu board looks clean and professional without needing an expensive video editor. To use it, you will need a free account. Now go to Imagine. Go to the chat input bar, then click on the drop-down menu and choose the video option. We will upload an image here. You can download the images used for the tutorial at the link in the description. Now we wait here. We will create two videos using two different images. Here, let's type in the prompts that I prepared. You can type in different prompts depending on your food item. You can ask ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, or other AI to write a prompt to create a video of your food menu. The results will be different for everyone. Sometimes it might not generate exactly what you're expecting. For best results, use images that show just the food itself without extra side items and keep the background simple. It seems like it's done. Let's play to see how it turned out. This looks abnormal. Let's try again. Click on Redo. Let's see how it turned out. It's looking great. Click on the download icon. Now let's create another video. Let's go back. Repeat the same steps. We will use another prompt that I got from AI for this image. We will rotate the item this time. It's rotating quite fast. We will adjust the speeding later. Otherwise, it looks great. Let's download it. Now we are on the CapCut.com website. To use it, you will need a free CapCut account as well. Click on Create New. Choose Blank Canvas. Upload the video file. Once the upload is done, it'll be placed on the canvas. At the bottom of the screen is the timeline. This is where your video clips appear and where you can cut, move, and adjust everything in your project. We are going to bring the timing bar to the end of the video. On the left panel, click on the video clip we uploaded. This will place another copy of the video clip. Now we will reverse the second video clip. Hit the reverse icon. Now let's bring the timing bar to the beginning. Let's play it to see how it looks. It is looking great. Now let's export it. Resolution should be 1080p, frame rate 30 fps, and format MP4, and hit the export button. We will do the same steps for the other video. Click on Go back to home page at the top left corner. Repeat the same steps. Okay, here I will fast forward the same steps. Let's play it to see how it looks. It's looking great. And hit the export button. Now we have the Canva designed menu open here. Oh, if you want to know how I designed this menu, I have another video that covered it. You can watch it in the card at the top. We will replace these images with the videos. Now let's go to Uploads. Upload the video file downloaded from CapCut. Drag and drop it over the existing image. When you generate videos, it creates sounds as well. Generally, you won't need sounds for your menu board, so let's mute it. Click on the speaker icon at the top toolbar. Click on the mute button. Let's also adjust the speed of the video. Now, when the video loops continuously, it looks smooth and seamless. Let me replay it so you can see. We will do the same steps for the other video. We covered these steps, so I will speed things up. Let's reduce it even more. Now let's export it. Go to Share and click on Download. Now under the drop-down menu, choose the MP4 video option. If you have Canva Pro, you can save it in the higher resolution, but 1080p is recommended when it comes to extend your video length. I explained why you might need to extend your video length in a different video. You can check the card at the top. There are 2 pages here. Export 1 page at a time, so you will have separate video files for each menu board. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for staying with me. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. If you want to skip the setup, you can grab the editable template from my store. The link is in the description. I'll see you again soon.